into Monticello, Utah. Nice A-frame house there. But yeah, we're gonna get us a GoPro view coming through Monticello. I don't think that I've done this place before. Maybe I could have. Not real sure, but that sunlight is bright. Oh, and the way station's open, so we're going in. It's 1 mile down 491. It's quite possible that I have GoPro this town, but I'm not sure.
Is there a McDonald's in here?
McDonald's? I don't think so.
Oh, it looked like that place that had the McDonald's with the truck park.
Okay, now we have come this route before, and right here where we turn onto 491, instead of turning, we went straight. That was what took us through Mexican Hat. That was a beautiful drive. Huh? Oh. That was a beautiful drive, but I don't think there was much service going through there at all. If we ever do it again, that's if it's what I'm thinking about that took us through Mexican Hat. If we do it again, we would definitely GoPro that up. San Juan Record, local newspaper and bookstore travel. Where's this way station? I know we've been through it. We've crossed the scales here before. I can't never remember if it's on the left or the right. And now if you watch the GoPro video of this, when I say left and right, I look in the opposite directions of the signs that I said.
I want a milkshake. Or some ice cream or something. I don't know where I found it, but later. Your money, your future, your credit union. All the spots are taken. I think.
Yep. And I think we have GoPro'd through Monticello before. I think. Maybe. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. little doggy. Looks like we've got a population of 1,171. Which is bigger than Schuyler, Nebraska. Where'd their porch go?
It's Osceola.
Schuyler, Nebraska.
That's a nice house. Behind it and in front of it.
Yeah. Got a speed limit of 30 miles an hour here in Stromsburg, Nebraska. Strom is a bird, Nebraska. Let's get it right. Or let's try to. Christmas sale, 20% off. Is it the whole building? They got a Subway here in Stromsburg.
Ew.
Cornerstone Bank. Crosswalk. Oh, look at that.
Look at the horses. Or the camel.
It's a camel. Park camper entrance. Well, that's about all there was to Stromsburg. You know the drill. Big Blue River. It looks like a little brown creek to me. All right, everybody. We are about to go through the town of Schuyler, or is it Schuyler? Schuyler, Nebraska. I have been informed, once again, my pronunciation is way off. But we stayed here at the Gobblestone Inn and Suites last night. Pretty comfy little stay. It's not the best one that we've stayed at, but I guess it's by far not the worst. Well, I don't know, maybe the worst. It's not the best that we've stayed at. Let's just put it that way. We have stayed at much better. But it's nice and comfortable.
Yeah.
It gets
I like the bed there.
It gets the job done. Tasha, she liked the bed. Made my back hurt, so I really didn't like the bed much. It was nice though. It was a nice bed. No complaints. I'll say that. No complaints. It was just very basic. Very, very, very basic, right?
Yeah. It was clean and everything though.
Yeah, it was clean up. But we're actually going to go through town, which we've never been through as many times as we've been here to Schuyler, Nebraska, almost at Alabama.
What they're building over there?
I don't know.
Another restaurant?
Another restaurant.
Bank of the Valley right there.
Bank of the Valley. There's your answer. Where'd that car go? And normally, you know, we do lives when we're starting our day out, but we're only going.
Look, I don't want to look at the big spoon right there.
Look at that. We're only driving 2 miles. We're gonna start the live up when we get over to the truck stop.
They don't have breakfast, so they're not open yet.
And now, see, since I've started using that one, I can't even hardly see that one. Can't hardly see it at all.
It's not Schuyler at all. It's Schuyler.
It's not Schuyler at all. Why does it have a U in it if it's not Schuyler? They need to take the U out, and then it would look a little, to me, it would look a little more like Schuyler. Looks more like Schuyler or Schuyler. Oh well.
Well, it's something that's like that one place in New York I'd always pronounce wrong.
Pennsylvania.
Oh, yeah, Pennsylvania.
What was it? Schuylkill?
Yeah, but it's not that
It
at all.
looks like Schuylkill
Yeah.
or Scullykill. Yeah, I mispronounced that forever. I finally asked somebody, I said, hey, how do you pronounce the name of this place? Schuylkill. And I was like, I'll be dang, I'd have never guessed that. But I'd have never guessed this was Schuyler. Even though my dispatcher always says, go up to Schuyler and grab a load up there. I always thought he was mispronouncing it.
I want a latte from that, but I'm not doing it.
And we're just going to cut through town, I think, through the corner of it. Going to the Loves up here.
Honest John's used cars.
Honest John. And now there is some train tracks somewhere close here, because every time I took Haber out last night, I could hear the train blowing its horn. I wished that we could see it on the live doing the watch party. That way everybody could watch the trains. Because we do love the rail fans around here.
Haber's looking around.
It's a nice little town. Haber's perched up high. He's like, what? Not much to it. Of course, like I said, we just run through half of it here.
That bank is little.
That's a little bitty. That might be what they're building over. No, was it a homestead?
No, bank or something. I bet everyone in Schuyler works at Car Guild.
I bet they do. About 90% of everybody, anyway.
Yeah.
The other 10% works at the stores and gas stations. Alright, well, that's about all there was to that little town of Schuyler. Well, about half of it anyway. And I didn't know we could have went through that way last night, because I was looking at Google Maps. And you can't trust Google Maps in a truck. Just can't. But here's our resting spot, probably till tomorrow sometime. Check our live out. If you're watching this, more than likely we've got a live going. More than likely. Don't forget to leave a like, a comment, let Tasha know what you thought about it. If you hadn't subscribed, do that. And we'll see you in the next little town. Bye!